Hello everybody and welcome back to the Chateau on New Year's Eve, the last day of 2024. And I've had some days off, not because it's Christmas and New Year, but I hurt my back again. And I sat deciding to do the video today of looking back at all the things achieved in 2024, a recap of the year, and got a phone call from somebody that I value opinion and care about deeply. Who suggested, really, that I hadn't achieved that much in 2024 based on the things that we had discussed this time last year. Wasn't wrong. So I started having a little bit of a think. It's very difficult. YouTube seems to be something that's very much about me, because it's me sharing stuff with you. And that's not what the world's all about. So rather than looking back at the things that I have done, and then by looking at things that I've done, I automatically think about things I haven't managed to do. What I'm going to do, apart from wishing everyone a great new year, is turn the tables. So it's not about me, it's about us. We have this community on YouTube, which is wonderful. It's just, it happens to be a bit one-sided because I'm the only one with the camera. So let's do this the other way. Today is the day of the year where we all look back on what we wanted to achieve for the year and then hopefully look forward to the new year and the things that we are going to achieve. And most of us fail. The old thing about New Year's resolutions, they never work. They mostly don't work because we do them all ourselves. So I'm not talking about let's all have a New Year's resolution, let's all do something weird and wonderful. What I'm saying is, let's for January all try to help each other out and turn comment section into a little bit of a community. Through January, whatever we all want to go and achieve, let's say in the comments, and then let's everybody else give a little bit of motivation, a little bit of help, a little push forward. So if all we can do for the new year is say, do you know what, let's be a little bit nicer to everybody else and help each other, then that's all I would like to achieve in 2025. So, do you know what? Actually, it's got about me again, isn't it? But hey. What I want everyone to do, if you want to do that, of course, is let's try to help each other for a little bit. So, I want to wish everybody a beautiful and a wonderful New Year's Eve. I hope everyone's had a great 2024. Thank you all for your support, watching, commenting, the likes, the subscribers. Thank you, everybody. It does mean the world to me, and I wish I could actually express it in a way that my true emotions would be able to come through. But I cannot manage to do that, so I can just say thank you. And I hope everybody for 2025 gets to achieve everything they want and they have a fantastic year. Let's all go and see the new year in, and I very much look forward to, in comments, maybe today's video, maybe in January's videos, of what you want to achieve, and being able to give a little bit back to those people so we can all comment, share, support, and do a little bit of good for our little YouTube community. Everyone have a fantastic New Year's Eve, and I will see you all in 2025. Thanks so much.